sa UAP. Game 1 finals, si Hervasio. Sinabihan ni Coach Roger Goraev. Ano ba? Pahinga ka muna?
No. She doesn't want to go out. She wants to play.
Pahinga. bukas na, pahinga. Hey, again, these girls, by the way, Doc, again, finals week for the seniors for Ateneo. Midterms for the tri-semester De La Salle players. They're dealing with all of that. And then the nervous energy, then the anticipation, then the pressure, the excitement, and all the talk around.
Lahat yun sabay-sabay nangyari this week.
That is incredible. These girls are incredible, all of them. They're trying to withstand all of them and play and give a show here in game number 1. And another one from Phil Cainglet.
Phil has had a lot of success doing that, as well as Eliza Valdez, even De Jesus. I think they're not really forcing the issue and just relying on their smarts to win this game.
Pajibar, Obar, ang saya. The lead is 6 again. Maraño finds a spot.
She's been very quiet though.
Yes, she has been.
Maraño has been very quiet.
Left with 8 points so far here in this match. And Valdez, all of her 4 points were all in the first set. So imagine that they're doing this with the #1 scorer in the league, reserving and conserving her energy.
These errors from De La Salle, a lot of the coaching staff just shaking their heads. Brother Bernie Oka, again, congratulations to De La Salle for winning the overall championship.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Brother Bernie. Pati UAP
Job
tennis
well done,
na kinover din natin. Ferrer. They're really not giving it to Valdez. 2. Good reaction, but naubusan.
8 service errors for De La Salle. Can you believe that, Boom? Yan yung kanina pa natin sinasabi. Or
6 errors for La Salle. Dalawa para sa Ateneo so far. The lead is 5. That's the total errors, by the way, as Wench Tew, who will not play next year anymore for La Salle, trying to win a championship for herself. Ateneo scrambles for defense. Lazaro is there. Ferrer underhand to De Jesus, sent back. Great coverage by herself. Great reaction. Galang with a windup. Hervasio gets out of the way. Lazaro goes back to Ella. Ella sends it back. Fajardo, nakaluhod, ibinigay kay Gumabaw. Bumalik yung bola.
Baldo was right there in the middle, watching for that play as it evolved. Good read by Eliza. Look at that. That was her all the way.
3 blocks for both teams total. That is not the number that La Salle wants.
I told you that stat would be very important.
Oh, that one is out though.
It is out.
It is out though.
Was it in or out?
Coach Ramil has something to say to the linesman.
And Galang plays right away.
Let's look at it. From this angle, this is a perfect angle. Ooh, that kind of touched the line. The reaction from the green side.
Hard to say.
Mahirap, ano? Baka may shadow lang, ano?
Hard to say.
Again, the referees and the linesmen, rather, don't have the benefit of a slow-mo. Unlike us. Valdez is rejected. And Abby Maraño pleading with the rest of her teammates to come back and fight.
And quietly, this has increased to a 6-point lead for Ateneo. All those exchanges.
Kay Abby Maraño, third-year high school pa lang, inabangan na ni Coach Ramil De Jesus para mapunta sa La Salle. Balik na naman ang bola sa Ateneo. Oh, that's a triple block right there.
Right, remember, she had success facing that triple block earlier when she just hit those side spin shots, those dumps. But now she goes back to her usual power hits, but the block has been, it's going to take its toll on her if she keeps on doing that.
Good steady serve. Lead is 5. Valdez with the tip.
Again, the drop.
Oh, pero Boyan, Gohing sends it back. Chance for Ateneo here. Underhand set to Valdez. Tries to swipe it. Bumalik sa Ateneo. Ferrer. Ipinarik kay De Jesus. Chance for La Salle to answer. They go to Galang. Galang off speed. Valdez keeps it up. And a free ball. La Salle's chance. Reyes. And able to put it away. Ferrer. Hervasio. Long rally here with the lead at 5 for Ateneo. Galang goes for the
Ooh.
angle. No. Wide.
She was on her way down, so really bad timing on the shot. Ang tagal niyang pinitin, but yun, pababa na siya nung tinamaan niya yung bola. That was too wide from Galang.
It's Elisa Valdez serving. Aranyo with the take. They go to Gumabao. Gumabao with the push. Penglet gives it up to De Jesus. Masyadong too much muscle behind that attack. The lead stays at 5. Michelle Gumabao on deck, who is closest with Abby Maranyo in the team.
Yes.
Silang dalawa yung sabi nila very close. It's also because they're batchmates.
Batchmates.
Yep. And they've gone through a lot together.
Alright, she gets this in this time.
Straight serve.
Of course, the ace there.
Coach Roger has not called the timeout yet. And sabi niya, bayan mo. Tinuro niya kay Coach Farley.
Sige lang.
Wag muna. Let the girls deal with it on their own. Sometimes, Ian, coaches do that.
Yes.
Hindi yung basta magkamali, timeout kagad. Ferrer to Ho. Great coverage. Regalo.
Ito pa.
Joust at the net. Hervasio goes to De Jesus again. Aranyo was there, and a touch by Mika Reyes on the net, which is an automatic point, obviously, for Ateneo.
And the refs are really
Gotta look at that, Doc.
watching the girls whenever they go off with the block. Remember, if they do touch the net,
Oh, yes. Their left arm.
elbow.
Coach Ramil will call a timeout as they're down here by 5.
Okay, sige na lang. Huwag nyo na rin yung referee. Hindi yung crowd. Huwag nyo na rin yung okay? Di mang samatawa ng referee. Basta laro lang tayo. Ha? Basta organize lang natin. Huwag tayo masyadong matakaw doon sa loob ng kamay. Ng referee. Masyado natin inaabot eh. Kaya wala na kayo sa pwesto. Umabot pa tayo ng ng block eh. Nagkalaban naman natin eh. Hindi naman rin nakapwesto. Pwesto lang. Pag pasalo lang gagawin. Ready lang tayo palagi ginagawa nila. Pag nakikita yung nakapwesto yung kamay, dinadrop na lang. Pag nakikita nakauna sila at basta yung blocking, papaluin na agad. Nakatingin sa kamay natin eh. Ready lang lagi tayo doon sa gitna. Okay? Taga lang ang kailangan natin. Taga lang. Okay?
Coach Ramil pleading to the girls to
Yeah.
zone out the referees, zone out the calls,
The crowd
zone
as
out the
well.
crowd. In fairness to the referee, in that sequence, Mika Reyes did touch the net. 22-17. What is Ateneo doing so well in the last 2 sets?
Coverage, boom, coverage. They're getting blocked by De La Salle, but the coverage has been very, very effective. This is going in. Naku, yun pa.
Errors.
Off a timeout, boom. That just says how De La Salle right now is not focused in what Coach De Jesus is instructing the girls.
And that
They're
is
moving differently. That's just it.
It's incredibly strange to say about them, ano? Galang. Again, coverage was there. Hervasio off the block. It's a check ball. And they get the set point. You know, I say that it's strange for LaSalle because I've said this in many
Yes.
years, Doc. Even LaSalle, they have a curfew before the finals. They take away technology, gadgets, and cell phones
Yeah.
before the finals just so that they could focus on the task at hand. This is true. The players don't use their cell phones the night before.
Oh,
And a
nice serve.
chance here for Ateneo to close it out. And Hervasio puts it away. So, just like in the first meeting, Doc, Ateneo takes the first 2 sets. The question now here, can LaSalle come back? Yes, they can. Will they? Is another question. Let's all find out together then. Plus, a special guest coming up.
Ayan na, abangan nyo.